Somebody must have drugged these guys. There's no way these guys could be so quiet this long. There's Miss Cameo. Miss Cameo cats. Hi, honey. There's Miss Delilah. Chewing up her toys. Can't have that. And Miss Penelope. And there's Scotty Boy. Hey, Scotty. And there's Miss Ziva. Ziva wants the toy. And there's Miss Tigger. Scotty. What you doing, Scott? Tigger took your toy. What you gonna do about it, mister? Scotty. Scotty boy. It's Miss Delilah. Miss Delilah. How you doing? Scotty. Mr. Scotty. There he is. Oh, he's got my camera. Hi. Oh. Girl's beating you up, mister. Delilah wants your toy.